Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? And welcome to the No Boss Empire channel. You're with me, Jarvis, and in today's video, I am going to show you how you're going to make $1,000 to $2,000 per month just by taking pictures on your phone or uploading the pictures from your phone. Okay, let's get down to business. So, let's get to Clickasnapcom. We are on the platform right now. You can sign up for free. And this is the only platform in the world that you actually make money when somebody looks at your photo. And they pay you 40 cents per photo view. 40 cents, guys, it's not small money, but yeah, it adds up after a while. And you need a minimum of $15 payout. So it pays to share your content. So let's have a look at let's scroll down and look at all the photos that has been uploaded by the community members. Okay, heaps and heaps of photo. So this girl here, 1.7k view, 1.5k view, 400 view, 1.2. So 2k view. All right, let's take this 2k view for example, and let's work it out. Let's do a quick calculation on how much he or she made from this photo. So let's take $2,000 times 40 cents equals $800 on a photo. Like, that is crazy. Imagine you have like 10 of these going on. That should be about $8,000. Not always, the more you upload, the more chances of you getting paid. Okay, have a look at all these pictures again. Wow. Okay, it's totally free to get started. I've already signed up for it, and I can actually start uploading photos right there. And move this one down. So if we can start uploading, and who knows. Select photo and you upload, and that's it. That's all you need to do, and you just watch. And you don't have to do anything. Imagine, yeah? You upload once, you go away, maybe a month or 2 months later, you come back, you might make a bit of money. Look, end of the day, every dollar, every cent count. That's me. Because every dollar you add, it goes to $10. Every $10 you add, it goes to $100. So everything slowly add up. All right, I'm not teaching you guys to make big money here. I'm not a guru that tells you you're gonna make $1 million overnight, but I'm teaching you another way of making a bit of side income. That's all I have for today. Thank you all for watching. Much appreciated. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and if you got any feedback or comment down below. I will be much appreciated. Okay, have a fantastic day and see you in the next video. Bye for now.